Hi guys. Well, we just made our homemade pesto, and if you missed that, it's in the short. Now I got to get this chicken in. I marinated it for 2 hours. I'll put the marinade, which was super simple, in the comments or in somewhere in the video, somewhere where you can find it. All right, so I've got my oven at 400 degrees, and this is going to go in for about 20 minutes. I think it's good just the way it is, so I think I'm just going to put it in like that. I have this plant-based Caesar dressing, which is awesome. So we're going to throw that in there. And I'm going to do it like I seen them do at the restaurant. You just mix that up. And I could add a little bit of cheese. Throw that on a plate, a plato. I've got these heirloom tomatoes, which are super pretty and colorful for the fall. I didn't know what I was gonna do with them, so I'm just gonna throw some slices on this salad and make it look real pretty. And I want to get all the colors in there, so just a little slice of each would be awesome. So nice, so nice. Probably can't do that, but I'll show you when I'm done here. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Oh, look how nice that looks. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. Nice. Hubby came home, so I wanted to get something in front of him. Okay, I turned on my water for my noodles. I'm gonna add a dash of salt to it. And then I've got my asparagus here. I'm gonna cut off these ends. And then we're gonna do them in, this probably looks like a lot of asparagus. I don't know if it's too much for this dish or not, but what I know is that whatever gets cooked gets eaten, and what doesn't get cooked gets thrown away because nobody ends up using it. So you can just tear off the ends. It's easier than cutting. So we're doing a chicken asparagus pesto dish. And let me tell you, when I used to work at the country club, those people freaking loved pesto. That was on the menu quite a bit. Everything had pesto. It was a little, I don't know, I got sick of it myself, but it's popular. And I know the pesto I made today is really good, really tasty. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Ah, that's tough. So my plan is to do a long form video with something maybe that complements the dish that I'm making and do a short out of it. At least once a week, and additional shorts if I can. So that's what's going on with the channel. And you probably noticed I changed the channel name to Pure Vibes Kitchen because I started a little shop on, Spreadshop. And so I thought it would be cool to have them match. I've wanted to rename this channel for a long time, and all the names were taken. So finally, this one was a match, thank goodness. So about 2 inches long, that's longer than 2 inches, but anyway, about 2-inch pieces for the asparagus. And I suppose you could do this with whatever vegetable you like, really. And my foot is still bothering me, but it's getting better for sure. Can I get an amen on that? All right, okay. maybe a little bit smaller, kind of like bite size. Think about the restaurant. Think about if you're having this in a restaurant, like how big would the pieces be? All right, I hear my water starting to boil. And I found this pasta on sale, certified organic. We're using the Marinate pasta. Let's see, this is pour pasta into boiling water. Recommended cook time 8 to 10 minutes. Begin testing at 7 minutes. Okay, 8 to 10. That looks pretty good. Let me show you, because, let me see. Ah! Hang on, guys. You're not on a roller coaster. My water. I tried to have patience to actually let it get to a boil this time. And we're gonna go for about, what? They said check it at 7, so we're gonna check it at 7. What temp should chicken be? 165, that's a really big chicken breast. 117, 126. So we're gonna keep letting that go. All right, so at the 2-minute mark, you're gonna put your asparagus into the boiling pasta, and I'm right at the 2-minute mark right now. So all of this is going in here, which if I didn't read a recipe online, I probably wouldn't have done it this way, but this makes it easy. So that's gonna cook with your pasta for the rest of the time. And there it is. So sorry for all the camera movement and stuff, but it's kind of difficult trying to cook and move a camera around. Like I said, I don't have a clue. I need to get monetized so I can get some help up in Pure Vibes kitchen. All right, it's the 7-minute mark, and I'm gonna let this go probably 1 more minute. It's al dente, but I want it to be just a little bit more cooked. Surprisingly, I wasn't expecting it to have kind of an asparagus taste to it. All right, the chicken is out, and it is really hot. So I'm gonna slice that up while it's hot, being very careful. Let's see how this works. I checked the temperature. So can you see that? Oh, my battery is low. So I added my noodles and my asparagus back to the pan, and this is my awesome, what do you call this? Yeah, pesto. So I decided to slice up that chicken and throw it back in the oven. To me, it didn't look done. Even though my thermometer said 170, I don't know what the deal is, but that's that. So I've got this to mix, and then I'll add a little bit more once the chicken gets in there. And I have to grate up a little bit more cheese to go on top as well. I grew up without using a meat thermometer. I just basically eyeballed it all the time. So I don't like to see any pink in my meat, and especially when it comes to chicken. So I did put it back in. I know it's done now. I'm adding the pesto sauce. I did make the mistake of not saving half a cup of the water from the pasta, but you can just add a little bit of water if you want to have it a little bit more runny. And let me tell you, I tried this. Oh my gosh. This was so good. This is definitely restaurant quality, 5-star, hands down. You will love this dish. Hit the thumbs up and the subscribe and share it with someone that you love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.